नए सब्सक्राइबर सब्सक्राइब करें इस चैनल को और बेल आइकन चूज करें लेटेस्ट अपकमिंग वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
So Amir, 5 tips to people who want to be superstars. I guess first of all you should be passionate about something, and also have an aptitude. You know, I may be passionate about some field in life, but I may not have the aptitude for it. So I must have the practicality to know कि यार ये मैं कर सकता हूँ और अच्छा भी करूँगा और मुझे मज़ा भी आएगा. So that is one. Two is I have to be really hardworking and committed to what I'm doing. Three is you should have a curious mind because then you keep learning and you keep growing as a person. Fourth, I guess whatever that field is, you have to train yourself and equip yourself very well for that. Get ready for that. Educate yourself in that. I think five, would be that I feel you have to conduct yourself, no matter what profession you're in, with a certain amount of grace and honesty and integrity. You should approach your work with honesty, integrity, and that's how you should deal with the people you're working with, no matter what profession you're in.